Hi guys! So, welcome sa bago nating videos. Yan. Magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi, hapon. Kung ano oras nyo man to napapanood yung video natin guys. So, ngayon guys sa video natin, ang ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano patagalin mag-lowbat at pabilisin mag-charge ang cellphone natin. Kasi yung iba kasi mag-charge ng cellphone bago mapuno, tagpa 5 hours, gano'n. Tapos pag na-lowbat naman, mga wala pa, yung kaka-charge mo palang lowbat na. So, meron tayong solusyon dyan guys. Kung ganyan yung cellphone mo, meron tayo dyan solusyon ah, para bumilis mag-charge, ah, tsaka tumagal malowbat. At kung mabilis naman mag-charge yung cellphone mo, mas magiging mabilis pa. Tsaka kung matagal naman malowbat, mas magiging matagal pa malowbat. So, simulan na natin.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Rains Ride Alangula.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa home screen. So, hanapin natin yung settings. Wait lang guys ah.
Labels, page 1. TTS rate, default. Copy and mode, TTS rate, 65, 60, 50, 50, 50, 60, 660. Default, labels, default.
Ayan, so binagalan ko para maintindihan nyo. So, punta tayo sa settings.
TikTok, Messenger, Facebook, My Files, Play Store, Voice Changer with Effects, Settings,
Pinutin nyo yung settings.
Settings.
Hanapin nyo lang dito yung, ayan, pag dito na tayo sa settings.
Sign and manage account in Wi-Fi, mobile, connect, sounds and vibration, apps, security and location, safety and battery, special digital, additional settings, about device.
Hanapin nyo lang dito yung about device. Depende pala yan guys sa cellphone nyo. Pero sa akin about device, sa iba kasi about phone, about my phone, yun. So, pinutin nyo lang natin about device.
Navigate up button.
So, ayan.
About device.
Hanapin nyo lang dito yung
Share button. Caloros 14 point device name Oppo A18. Storage 60.4 47% progress bar. Model CPH25 processor Helio G85. Battery capacity 5000 mAh. Tip. Screen size 6.56 RAM 4.00 G Android version 14. Version.
Ayan, pindutin nyo lang dito yung version. Sa iba, build number.
Version.
Yan, version. Pag napindot nyo na yan, may makikita kayo ditong version number or build number.
Navigate up but version. Version number CPH2591 underscore 14.0.0.1401 EX01U120P02.
So, pag nakita nyo na yan, guys, itap nyo lang yan ng 7 times. So, kasi naka-screen reader ako, syempre, i-double tap ko yan ng 7 times. Pero kung hindi kayo naka-screen reader, ano lang yan, itatap nyo lang. So, i-tap na natin.
You are now 3 steps away from being a developer.
Yan.
You are now 2 steps away from being a developer. You are now 1 step away from being a developer.
Yan, 1 step na lang.
You are now a developer.
Ayan, pag nakita nyo na yan.
Baseband version M underscore V3 version number CPH2591 underscore 14.0.0.1401 EX01U120P02.
So, ayan, pag sinabi ng you are now a developer, so back na tayo dyan.
Back button. About device. Back button. Settings.
So, hanapin nyo lang yung additional
Access
settings.
phone, note apps. Location, safety and battery. Special feature, digital additional settings.
Additional settings.
Navigate up additional system navigation buttons. Language app, keyboard and input
Hanapin
method.
nyo lang dito yung developer options.
Date and
Dito
time.
lang yan.
Accessibility. Assistive all. Gestures and one-handed power but screen schedule power on OTG connect system serve developer options.
Ayan.
Developer options.
Ayan, hanapin nyo lang dito yung developer options.
Navigate up developer options on.
So, dapat naka-on lang yan.
Memory app bug report. Desktop backup password. Desktop full backups are currently protected.
So, mag-scroll na lang ako.
Enable GPU debug layers off app compatibility. Show refresh rate off. System tracing. Networking. Network download. Wireless display certification. Enable Wi-Fi scan. Wi-Fi non-persistent MAC randomization
So,
off when this mode
mag-scroll.
is enabled. This device's MAC address may change each
So,
time it
hanapin
connects to a
natin dito
network
yung
that
ano.
has MAC randomization enabled. Bluetooth AVRCP version AVRC. Bluetooth map version map 1. Maximum connected Bluetooth audio devices use HD audio off unavailable. Bluetooth audio bits per sample use system selection default. Bluetooth audio channel
So,
mode use
hanapin
system
natin dito
selection
yung
default.
background,
Bluetooth audio codec use system selection
process.
default. Bluetooth audio
Kasi
LDAC
nakalimutan
codec.
ko na yung
Playback
pangalan niya
quality
guys eh.
unavailable. Bluetooth audio sample rate use system selection. NFC stack debug log off NFC verbose vendor debug log off NFC NCI on input. Show tabs off pointer location off drawing. Show surface updates off show layout bounds off show clip bound. Force RTL layout direct window animations transition animation scale 1x. Animator duration scale animation scale 1x. Simulate secondary displays none. Smallest width 300 display cutout device transparent navigate hardware accelerated rendering. Show view updates off show hardware lit debug GPU debug non-rectangle override force start allow window level blurs force 4x MSAA off and disable HW overlays off simulate color space disk media. Media track disable USB audio routing off disable
So, ayan.
automatic routing to USB audio for
Dami na natin
monitoring.
kaya ano guys. Ang daming ano. Ang dami dito sa developer options. Ang dami dito ano guys eh.
Strict mode enabled off flash profile GPU rendering apps. Don't keep activities off destroy every background process limit standard limit.
Ito background plus process limit. So, nakita nyo, nakaset siya sa standard limit. So, pindutin nyo
Navigate
yan.
up.
Yan, pupunta kayo dito sa ano niya. So, may dalawa kayo ditong pagpipilian. Yung,
Standard limit checked.
ayan, nakacheck yung standard limit. So, meron pa dito.
No background processes unchecked.
So, itong no background processes, ito yung piliin nyo guys kasi kapag nag-lock na kayo ng screen, wala na magra-run na background. So, ayan, pindutin nyo lang yan.
Developer options.
Ayan. So, ayan, ayun natin.
Navigate up but developer disable media disable monitor strict profile apps. Don't keep background process limit no background processes.
So, ayun, background process limit, no background processes. Nakaset na siya. So, may isa pa tayong tips guys. Alam ko marami na ito nakakaalam yung power saving mode sa cellphone, yung naka-default. Ayun, kung halimbawa mga nasa 40% na lang yung cellphone nyo, i-turn on nyo yon. At kung nag-charge pala kayo guys, pwede nyong i-airplane mode or patayin yung wifi nyo or yung mobile data kung ano ginagamit nyo para mabilis mag-charge. So, meron pa ako ditong guys. Meron pa ako ditong isa ituturo.
Back button.
Dito lang din sa settings.
Back button. Settings.
Dito lang yun sa settings, guys.
Accessible home, no app, safe back, special digital additionals about device, users and account Google.
Hanapin nyo lang dito yung Google. Yan.
Google services.
Hanapin nyo dito yung usage and diagnostics.
Recommended selected. All services. What's new? The SEM backup is on 12 GB of 15 GB. 78% progress for indicator progress. RSEP manage backup. Find my device open it button action. Password manager save button action. Quick share to let up settings. Give feedback. Navigate up. Google services. More options. Recommended. More options.
Hanapin nyo dito yung more
Pop-up window.
options.
Open source licenses.
At nakadagay open source licenses.
Help. Give feedback. Open source help. Give feedback. Open source licenses.
So, ayan.
Open source
Hindi ko alam
licenses.
kung saan
Open
na
source
yun eh.
like Google Play Services. Google Play Services. Google Play Services. Google.android.gms.policy underscore flight underscore back button. Google Services.
So, hindi yan dyan, guys.
Access home recommended all services.
So, hanapin nyo lang
services.
dito yung all services.
Settings for Google Apps. Connected apps. Google Fit. Google Play Instant. Google Pay. Play games. Search, assistant, connected devices and share cast options, button. Cross-device served devices. Quick share. Privacy and secure ads. Device plans. Personalize using phone number verification. Button. Autofill and passwords. Autofill with Google. Passkey linked devices. Phone number sharing. SMS verification. Backup and restore. Backup. Google restore contacts. Set up kids and family. Set up nearby device. Kids and family. Family group. Parental controls. Personal and device. Find my device.
So, dito guys, marami ka rin dito ang hanapin.
Theft protection. Unknown tracker alerts. Driving. Silence notification device policy. Set up your work profile. Developer. Firebase app indexing. Give feedback. Navigate up. Google services. More options. Recommended. All services unknown tracker alert. Button. Button.
So, hindi
Personal
ko alam
parental
kung saan
family
yun.
kids and set up near restore contact. Google contact backup. Backup and restore SMS with phone numbers. Passkey link to autofill with autofill and usage and phone number. Personalize using phone usage and diagnostics.
Ito pala siya guys, usage and diagnostics.
Usage
Yan.
and diagnostics. Usage and diagnostics. Navigate up but usage and diagnostics on. Help improve your usage and diagnostics on.
So, kita nyo guys, naka-on yan. So, i-off nyo lang yan.
Off.
Ayan. So, ganun lang guys. Ayan, pag naka-off na siya, mababawasan na yung pag-drain ng battery nyo. So, ganun lang kadali guys.
Back button.
Mag
Google services. Home button. Page 1 of 2.
ganun lang kadali guys kung paano patagalin yung battery, kung tawag dito, kung paano siya patagalin malowbat, kasi yung iba kasi guys mabilis malowbat eh. Tsaka bibilis na rin yan mag-charge guys. So ganun, mabilis na rin siya mag-charge. So
Notification shade.
ganun lang siya guys.
Clear all.
So
Expand Android sys silent approval. Stop.
ganun lang guys. So kung hindi ka pa pala nakapag-subscribe dito sa YouTube channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na para sa mga iba pang mga tutorials.